Isn't this beautiful? We got these lovely packages from Germany, all the way from Germany. Well, wait for me. Oh, I wonder what this is. It's so...
Well, Grandpa Farrell from Germany with healthy respects.
Well, that's nice. And look how beautiful this is wrapped. Look at this. In the nice burlap bag and everything with the Santa. Oh, this is so thoughtful.
Merry Christmas.
Isn't that nice?
Also you a happy, blessed Christmas days and a healthy, good New Year with a hard to read from Germany. Love, Grandpa Farrell. Maria Gotz. Looks like Gotz. Thank you.
That was so nice of Maria. That's so sweet. I don't know how you got yours so open so fast.
Rip it.
Well, I guess so. But, you know, it's so pretty. I hate to rip it, but I'm going to have to. Oh, look at this. How beautifully this is wrapped. And, oh, chocolate is my favorite. And this is so beautiful. I hate to open this. Look how nice. I'll have to save it. This is so beautifully wrapped. Beautiful. This is my card.
Constance Mozart. Rebecca or Rebar.
Oh, this is nice. Christmas with love. And look at all the bottles of champagne on it. Look how beautiful. That's so nice. So, healthy Christmas greetings and all the best in the new year to you, dear Grandma Farrell.
Thank you, thank you.
Kind regards from Germany and healthy wishes. Maria, thank you so much, Maria. That was so thoughtful. I really appreciate it. And of course, look, chocolate is my favorite. Oh, I'm going to have a ball eating this.
Delicious chocolate.
Yeah.
Rich chocolate.
And you can't have any of mine.
I got my own.
But you better. And look how beautiful. This is wrapped. Oh. Well, wait till I open mine. We'll open it together. I want to be surprised. I said we'll open it together. You have to wait for me. He's so excited, Maria.
Slow. This lady is slow.
He can't, he's so excited he can't wait for me to open it. Oh, this looks delicious. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you so much. Oh, let's see. Look at this. Let's see. Ooh, how nice. Thank you. I have to be careful I don't eat this in a day. Okay, just wait now till I get set to open. I don't like to open as fast as you do. I like to open my presents slowly. Well, this is so nice. Something to cheer us at this time. A nice surprise. Oh, shit. Got to keep this because this is so nice. A nice bag. All right, you ready? Okay, let's see. The surprise. Oh, more candy. Oh, this is nice, isn't it? Look how nice. Oh, we're going to enjoy this. See? Well, we could try one. I can't wait. Thank you so much, Maria. You made us so happy. Good. Delicious. Mmm. This I will place in my candy dish. But Grandpa, don't be eating all my candy in the candy dish.
Well, you gotta hide it.
You have your own. And thank you again.
Very good, Maria. Thank you.
Yeah.
It cheers us up at this time.
Thank you again, Maria, for thinking of us. That was so sweet. We appreciate it. Say together. Twins.